In today's episode, I'm decorating my coffee station for spring. So if you're interested in seeing how it comes out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. And today's episode, as you said, I'm going to be decorating my coffee station here for spring. Now, you already see my colors, so you know what colors the coffee station will be. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to jump into decorating. Now, I've already wiped the area down so ahead of time, so it would be easier for me to go ahead and get started. So let's jump right on in.
It's hard to leave with you still on my mind, to pack my things and leave it all behind. We better find out why we do the things we do. It took me some time, but I realize now it's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all for you. It's all It's all for you. You better listen now, 'cause I can say this one more time. It's all for you. I think that we should give it one more try. Give it one more try. It's all for you. It's all for you.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should lie on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow. Yeah, you know me, baby. Won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely.
Now these coffee mugs, I purchased them on eBay a few years ago. There's nothing on this stand on my coffee station that I didn't already have. Now that bunny, he was purchased at Hobby Lobby. And my little girl face here, she was from the Dollar Tree. The flowers are from Amazon. My little egg popping out there, that came from the Dollar Tree. So I keep my old staples out here and just add for the season. Now my Easter sign here was thrifted, and I like it because it's lavender on top to go with what I'm doing this year for my home decor for the spring. Here is an overall look at my coffee station for the spring. I only do pops of different colors because you know I love my copper. And then I add my seasonal cups. So let me know what you think of my decor down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments. And I will see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.